Hi, my name is JD and welcome to Excel in 3. Today I want to save you time using Excel's built-in feature called Flash Fill. Flash Fill checks for pattern or trend in what you are typing and recommends the rest of the information. Do you want to know how? Join me, and I can show you an example of how Flash Fill can save you a lot of time and how you can activate it in your Excel if not already activated. I am going to use this list of names here in my example. I want to combine the name and the surname for everyone on the list. Remember, there are other formulas that can be used to combine the two, but for now I want to show you the magic of Flash Fill. Here I am going to start typing the name and the surname of the first person on the list. Do you notice that the moment I start typing the second name, Flash Fill has already picked up the trend and is giving suggestions for the rest of the list? All I need to do now is press Enter or Tab and my list is complete. Now let us try it the other way. Now I want to split the name and the surname. I am going to start by typing only the name. As soon as I type the second name, Flash Fill suggests the rest. Now let's see if Flash Fill will be able to pick the surname out. I will type the surname in the first row. As soon as I start typing on the second row, Flash Fill jumps in to suggest the rest. Imagine how much time you have saved, and without even using a single formula. Great, right? Now I want to show you where to activate Flash Fill in your Excel if it is not already activated. Go to File, Options, Advanced. Make sure the Automatically Flash Fill tick box is selected. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment with any topics you would want us to touch on.